Applying for a credit card when you have bad credit can feel like a setup. You go through the whole process, submit your info, wait a few days, and then you get hit with the same response. We're sorry, your application has been denied. And to make it worse, that hard inquiry just knocked your score down even more. Here's the problem. Most people apply for credit cards without knowing if they even stand a chance. That's not your fault. The system isn't built to help people recover. But there is a smarter way to apply, and it starts with Super Money. Instead of blindly applying, Super Money lets you see which credit cards are matched to your exact situation. Filter for cards with no hard credit check up front, compare cards for bad credit with low fees and high approval odds, and apply with confidence, not just hope. This isn't just about getting a credit card. It's about getting one that helps you rebuild your credit and avoid the traps that keep people stuck. So if you're thinking about applying for a credit card but your score isn't perfect, don't wing it. Be strategic. Click the link in the description and pinned comment to see which cards you're most likely to be approved for. Stop getting denied. Start getting approved with tools made for real people working on a comeback.